Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. Today I'm just gonna take you touring with us. So another day in the life of a small town farmer. Won't you come farming with us? So for those of you who are new to our channel, my husband and I, and our family, we actually operate a small farm. So a quarter section of ground, I should say, which is 160 acres. We live on the ground as well. We have some goats, and then so a kidding operation basically, and then we also have some heifers, and we're looking into getting into more. We have some roosters and some hens, so just a little bit of everything, from barn cats to cattle, like I said. Our operation is basically corn soybean mix, and Joseph, I believe, is a 5th generation farmer. So yes, we are called 1000 Generation Farms, but I actually have a video on why we're called that. So if you want to go check that out, I'll try to drop the link here. So yeah, just trying to get the word out about small farming operations and how they are still alive and how they are still very, very important. No matter what kind of operation it is, small, large, livestock, row crop, no matter what it is, it's very important. We are located in Nebraska, and a lot of people don't know much about Nebraska, so it's kind of fun, just sharing different things about the climate here, and then different things we do on a daily basis, especially on the farm. So if you're new to our channel, we're happy to have you. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like what you see, like our videos, comment, let us know what you want to see. We mostly do farming stuff on here. We also do DIY stuff because I love to do that, and then even a little bit of cooking and just kind of random things on the farm. So we hope you enjoy it, but we are having a normal day. I'm just taking you guys through the normal chore process, which you'll see quite a bit. But to me, it's like the back of my hand. I do it every day, but to you guys, it might be something new. So that's why we keep showing it to you. So this is normal. Walking up to the barn. Our hens and roosters are, I would call them free range. I mean, they have a coop, but the door is always open, so they are free to go in and out. 2 roosters and I think 8 hens. We've had this bunch for maybe almost 2 years, so we're actually getting ready to cycle them out and have some more come in because they have decreased their egg laying, and that's something we also do on the side. We sell some eggs. We don't have a ton, we get maybe like 8 a day. Well, I mean, when they're at full reproduction. Right now we're getting about 2 a day, so that's why we're gonna get some more in here soon. We have our heifer on the right. She'll be a year this year. And then we have some billies, some does, some nannies. We used to have about 23 goats, but just this past year we sold them, and we have about 5, I think, plus their babies. So kind of phasing some of the goat stuff out, trying to get more into cattle. We do have a first year heifer, or first calf heifer. She is probably 3 or 4. she is actually on stalks with some neighbors' cows across the way, so she's not here, but we will be bringing her back soon. She was over there to get bred. So something else I'll touch on, my husband Joseph does hay, so I couldn't even tell you how many bales we get. I mean, it's not a ton, but it feeds our livestock, plus we get to sell quite a bit of it. So it's usually an alfalfa grass mix. We did do some, I can't remember what kind of grass it was. Some kind of certain grass we actually planted within the alfalfa because we have some dry spots in there, and that actually filled in really well. That was Joseph's idea, so he's definitely the farmer at heart. I love to do farming stuff too, though. Livestock is more of my, I wouldn't say expertise, but I love livestock a lot. So yeah, just another little tidbit to share with you. So we're gonna go in the barn here and get some feed for the goats and the heifer. So we feed a protein-based sweet feed. It has some cracked corn in it and a protein pellet. We feed this to both our goats and our cows. And then we do more of a crushed protein pellet to our chickens. And of course, they can get whatever they want off the ground. Kitty's just normal cat food. We have 3 right now. Not sure what the back 2 genders are. I'm pretty sure the gray one is a girl, but this mama up here had them both. She's had a few different litters out of a tomcat that's been wandering around. Don't ever know where the kitties go, but these 2 have stayed, so that's good. This is Peck, our main honcho rooster. He's an interesting guy. So Joseph actually is the one that started the goat herd before we were married, but I'll try to tell you a little bit about it. So our herd consists of La Manchas, Kikos, Boers. I think there's another kind, not for sure what it's called. Our cattle, our first one, the one that's on the stalk, so this is her baby. She is a Longhorn Angus cross, and this one I'm pretty sure the male or the donor, whatever you want to call it, he was Angus, I'm pretty sure. So she's probably 3/4 Angus, 1/4 Longhorn. So, and they're eating their feed right now. And I don't know if you can see this one here. That's our newest little baby male out of La Mancha, and crap, that's a breed I can't remember. So yeah, but he's cutie. We do need to band him, so if you keep an eye on our videos, we'll have hopefully a video on doing that. He's actually the only one though that will do that too. But if you don't know much about goats, the La Manchas have the short ears like that. So I'll show you. This is a La Mancha mama. She looks kind of dirty right now. She's got the short stubby ears. And this is a La Mancha Billy. He's got short stubby ears. So there's a La Mancha baby. So something else I should tell you guys, if you're new, you probably don't know. Being a small farmer, your farm does not pay for itself most times. So we do work other jobs on top of farming. You know, it would be the dream to just be able to farm, but even, you know, with like health insurance and stuff, it's just a lot more affordable if you have more income coming in. So, you know, some people could say farming is a hobby for us, but it's also, you know, it's just part of the dream. My husband has always wanted to farm. I've always wanted to be on a farm and have livestock and stuff, so it's definitely like a God thing that we are here. So praise the Lord. So yeah, that's just a little extra tidbit I'll share with you. Now we're gonna go into the chicken coop, gonna give him some hot water. this really need much. I just gotta really look in here to see if any of them are in here, because sometimes it's so hard to see. And I wonder where that dish went. There was a dish on top of here. LOL. Who knows? Anyways, but so see, these are laying boxes, and they don't always lay in the boxes, but look, there's only one egg today. So most of our eggs are white. A lot of them can be brown too. Some of them are speckled with red. Just kind of depends. Anyways, that's our chore process. Doesn't take super long, but I will tell you, like in the winter, I mean, it's winter right now, but it's like super nice out. Let's see what it looks like. It's 50 degrees. 60. Oh my, it's almost 60 degrees out. That's pretty crazy. February in Nebraska Februarys are usually like a lot colder than this. We've had a few nice days like this though, so pretty nice to be outside when you can. But anyways, you know, in the winter when it is cold, we don't always have just hay readily available for them, and we do that for the cows mostly, because goats just eat and eat and eat. Cows kind of take a break, and then they eat, so they don't eat as quick, but goats just eat like crazy. So now that we have cows in there, we try to keep a bale in there. But before, and sometimes we still do this, we would just, every night when we chore, we would just have a bale outside the fence. We would take off, you know, a bit of hay, throw it in some hay feeders in the pens for the goats. So when there was like, you know, 3 feet of snow on the ground, 4 feet of snow on the ground, you're out there in your coveralls and it's freezing and you're trying to haul this hay with a pitchfork to the hay feeders. So it's so nice this year that we just have it in the pen. And also we really haven't had like a ton of snows like that. They've been pretty small, which is nice, but we'll see, you know, come spring when it's planting time, you know, if we have enough moisture. It's just, you know, the weather is like always changing. Every year it's different, and that can really make or break your farm year. So just saying lots of prayers, but just anyways, so I'll probably let you guys go with that. Again, you know, if you like what you see, like our videos, comment, let us know what you want to see on the farm. I'm trying to do a few uploads a week. Sometimes I do one a month, just kind of hit or miss. You know, sometimes we get busy with stuff on the farm and it's awesome to show you guys that stuff, but it's really hard to video it or to remember to video it, or we need to do it like ASAP, and so there's just not time. So I try my hardest to show you guys what we're up to. But anyways, just thank you so much for following along. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, and we'll see you next time on 1000 Generation Farms.